This is a step-by-step guide on how to register your company with the CAC. Welcome to Education, our weekly legal podcast, where we break down legal matters, legal issues, legal topics, and concepts to your understanding without going to the law school. You are going to see the required share capital for your company, for majority of small and medium scale businesses. You will see the first option that says that companies with share capital less than 5 million, usually you click that, and you will see the minimum it will be 100,000. Then you impute the share capital that you want to have, whether 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, or whatever you want. That's the authorized share capital. All right. Now, you will now also see information talking about the issuance of those share capital. Oh, sorry. You are going to see information as to how much each share is going to be. Do you want your share capital to be 1 naira for 1 share? In which case, your 1 million share capital will also mean 1 million naira. All right. You are going to be required to also input information as to the issuance of that share capital. Who is taking what? How many share capital each of the shareholder will be taking. You can either have one or more shareholders, but you are going to define what each of them is taking. Now, the next thing, you are going to be required to put information of persons who have significant control over the company. Anybody who has more than 5% of the share capital is a person who is regarded as person with significant control. All right. Usually the shareholders, you put their information there. Now, the next stage is going to require a lawyer or one of the directors or shareholders to depose to an affidavit of compliance to show that, oh, you have complied with all the requirements and the information that you are putting are correct. Maybe your lawyer or whoever can help you depose to that affidavit. Once you have completed it up to this point, you are just few steps to registering your company. The next stage will be to upload your documents, and by that we mean the IDs of all the directors in one PDF. You are going to upload it. You are going to upload the signature of the directors, of the secretary, if you have a secretary, of whoever is deposing to the affidavit of compliance. What else? You are going to, if your company is such that requires certain special proficiency, maybe like a construction company and all, you are going to also upload certificate of a certificate of proficiency, maybe professional, being a member of the board of directors. You are going to upload that. Now, after you have uploaded all of that, then you are going to preview your application, and if you are satisfied, you move to the stage of payment. Now, for a company, unlike a business name, there are two kinds of payments you are going to make. One is the payment you are going to make to CAC for your registration. Everything you are going to make it online, and after you have successfully made the payment to CAC for your registration, you are going to also be required to make payment for stamp duty. If you have done that, you will see it indicating successful and that your application has been moved to pending. At this point, there is nothing you can do but to wait and expect. Now, if CAC is satisfied with all the information you are putting, they are going to approve your application. I cannot give you a specific timeline, but usually anytime from, I have done registration from beginning to the end in 1 day before. I have done sometimes 1 week or even more, depending on the server of CSC. Now, if CSC is satisfied with your application, they approve, and then you can download your document. And the documents you'll be downloading will be your certificate, your MEMAT. Always remember what MEMAT is: Memorandum of Association and Article of Association, and then your status report, or more like, yes, a document that is called application document, that contains the details of the directors and all. Congratulations, your company has been successfully registered. One important thing you should note is that for a limited company, your TIN, tax identification number, comes with your registration, and it will be contained on your certificate. So you don't need to specially go to the Federal Inland Revenue Service for registering your TIN. You already have it on your certificate. So congratulations. That's the brief on how to register your company. If you have any question, you have any challenges in registering your company and all, and you want to ask questions, or you want to ask for guidance and all, drop it in the comment section, drop a message for us, and somebody is going to definitely reach out to you. Thank you very much for staying with us up to this time. This is Leducation. Please don't go unless you subscribe, drop a comment, like, and share to others that can also benefit from this. Thank you.